I will talk about how can you clear cache on your Bigo Live app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on me down here. You just click on me. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you scrolling down here into the we found here, click cache, just click on it. So then here can you select if you want to so clear live cache or auto cache or chat cache or all, just click on all, then you click on clean and it's going to clean with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.